I'm going to show you a secret tool that is going to increase your Amazon sales without raising your ad spend. Amazon already gives you this control with a simple tool called Search Query Performance Report. And here is the interesting part. It's completely free. You just need to understand how to use it, and most sellers honestly don't. So let's break it down in the easiest way possible. First, go to Hamburger menu in Seller Central. Scroll down to Brands and then click Brand Analytics. Once that page loads, you will see a section called Search Analytics. Under that, click on Search Query Performance. That's the report we are talking about. And honestly, it might just be the most powerful data source Amazon gives sellers. And it's sitting right there inside your Seller Central account. Now here is the cool part. What you will want to do is to look at the monthly data. So go ahead and pick the last full calendar month. Okay, so choose the last full calendar month, but it should be like at least 2 weeks away just because of the attribution. And now, this is where things get interesting. This report shows us the kind of data that really matters, like game-changing stuff if you know what to look at for. So what's the data we are looking at? Basically, this report shows you the entire funnel of each search term. You'll see how many impressions your product got, how many clicks, how many people added it to cart, and how many actual purchased. Now, for today, we are going to skip add to cart part. Instead, we'll focus on what we can improve, like the gap between impression and clicks, and then the gap between clicks and purchases. This report also tells you how many total impressions that keyword got across all sellers. So not just you, but the competitors too. So in this example, that's the top one showing up here. Now you will see two numbers. One is the total number of impressions for that keyword, which includes every seller competing for it. And the other is the number of impressions we got for the term. Same things goes for the clicks. You will see how many total clicks happened for that search term across all products. And then right next to it, how many of those clicks went to our product. So it's basically showing you how well we are performing against our competition for the keyword. Now, once you have those numbers in front of you, it's super simple. Amazon actually does the math for you. They will show you what percentage of total impressions, clicks, and purchases your brand is getting for each keywords. So how does this help you increase sales without spending more on ads? Here is the trick. You want to look at the brand share percentage. That's the percentage of the funnel that you own compared to everyone else. Then focus on this. Where is your share getting stronger as you move down the funnel and where it is dropping off? Let's look at an example to make it clear. Amazon flagged this keyword as important to us because it has high search query score, which basically means it has strong search volume and is highly relevant to our product. Here is a quick tip. A lower score number is better. Score of 1 is the best, and the higher it goes, the less relevant or popular the term. Alright, so for this keyword, we had a 4.38% share of impressions. That means out of everyone who saw search results for that term, 4.38% of the time it was our product that showed up. Then we look at clicks. Our share drops to 1.77%. So yeah, we are getting seen but not clicked on nearly as much. That's already a red flag. So what does that tells us? Basically, once people click our products, they are just as likely to buy as they are with any other brands. Our click share and purchase share are about equal, so we are not losing sales after the click, which is good. But here's where the issue is. We are getting a lot of impressions, but way fewer clicks than we should. That means people are seeing our product, but they are not interested enough to click on it. And that's a main image problem. For this specific high-performance keyword, our product just isn't standing out visually. Shoppers are seeing it, but skipping past us and clicking on other listing. So what we can do? Well, we need to tweak either our title or our main image to better reflect what the shopper is searching for, without breaking Amazon's rule. Let's see the first keyword again. The impression we got is 20.98%. And compared to this, the click is increased, which is 33.26%. That means most people click our. And if I check purchase again, 37.5%, which is pretty impressive, means many people purchase our items when they search it with this keyword. So that's a good sign, the keyword is doing well. Now we have got diagnosed that funnel problem, we can take action, and we can do this for every important search term using this exact method. This is why the search query performance report is such a powerful tool. You can go in keyword by keyword and figure out where you are losing clicks, where you are losing purchase, and what part of the funnel needs improvement. Now if you're thinking this is great but kind of a lot to keep up with every week, and you want someone to help you actually apply all this, that's exactly what we do at Ecomclips. We manage profitable Amazon PPC for brands using data like this to guide every decision. So if you want smart growth without burning extra money on ads, just send us an email at info@ecomclips.com or drop a comment below. We will get back to you ASAP. And that's it. You have officially unlocked a new Amazon superpower. Use it well, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.